Hey, what's good? It's your girl, Rich Soul, and it's the weekend, so y'all know we gotta get it cracking. Got a seafood boil going on. We got some green little mussels, and it's gonna be my first time trying them, you guys. It looks so good. I put my little nice creamy garlic butter, little cheese, all that good stuff on there, nice seasoning and all that good stuff. And of course I got my babies, my king crab. Gotta have that. Yes. King crab, honey. Woo, let me hold these babies up. All right. Hopefully that's a good thumbnail. And then here at the top, we have 2 corn, some sausages, egg, and red potatoes. So you guys, I am starving. I've been hot in this kitchen. I've been hot. Got the coldest water bottle on deck. Check the description down below to get yours. All right. I am starving, y'all. I'm about to get into it. Let me start with these green lip mussels. They look good. That's really good. Get my napkins. Yummy. Now this, like I said, this is my first time eating the green lip. Normally, I would get the black mussels, and if I do, I have to get them from Red Lobster. It's like Red Lobster know how to make the best black mussels, so I get them from there. Like if I ever wanted some mussels, but I like this. I've been seeing people trying to get that little piece out and by using another one. I can't do it. I did a little bit, but I've seen somebody do it. I can't do it. Let me just stop. Let me just stop. Oh yeah, these are good, y'all. Have y'all ever had green lip mussels? Let me know. They are really good. Yes. Sweet pea, you know, you can't eat those. Sweet pea like, oh, okay. What's this? I already gave you 2, see? I already gave you 2 red potatoes, 2 of my potatoes. Can I eat 2, please? Can't ever eat around here. Ooh, look at that one. That one looks good. Got that, my little special sauce on top. Got a little cheese on it. Wow. These are really good. Yes, ma'am. When it's good, you start dancing. Ooh, good and cold. Yes. All right, let's get to these bad boys. That's what I've been waiting for too. So how y'all weekend going? Excuse me for being all extra greedy over here. I hope you guys having a good weekend. I have a good old friend of mine, like childhood friend, you might as well say. And she and her mother does live shows on Facebook on Fridays. It is so good. Y'all be lit. So you guys have to check that out. And hopefully I'm gonna put her link down in the description box. They talk about, you know, real life politics. They talk about, you know, what's going on, like the shootings and all that stuff, and all kinds of topics. They have a good show. So you guys need to check them out. Her name is Corinne Harris. And she's just a beautiful person. I always have been. So you guys gotta check them out. It's so fun to get into great topics like that. It's so good to have an open floor. So they have a good platform going on. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. I'm surprised I didn't get myself dirty. Let's see what we got up in here. Ooh, notorious say, excuse me. I don't know if y'all heard that or not. Ooh. Yes. We got us a winner. Ooh, wait, ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Just came out the oven. Look at that. Who made you like this? Who made you like this, honey? Who your mama and daddy is? Thank God they had you. All that meat. Get a bite, y'all. Number 2. Yes. Nothing in here. Okay. Sweet meat. King crab. No, it got that sweet meat. So good. You got that sweet meat. That sweet meat. Yes, indeed. You got your little something going on. I know this was gonna be a good piece. Oh, yes. Clean you. Oh, these are some good pieces. Yes. It's nothing like a good old seafood boil. This is so hard to talk when you got seafood. Oh, you guys, it's so good. This corn is so sweet. Ooh, I'm starting to get full. I was so hungry. My eyes is bigger than my stomach. At least I got to those king crab though. That was the main thing. And those mussels was really good. The green lip mussels, that was really good. Definitely gonna get those again. See, when something good, you be like, yeah, I'm gonna get that again. I'm gonna get that again. When it's like good, but you like, that means you're not getting it again. Oh, well, you guys. I had a good weekend, and I hope you guys did too. I had some corn in between my teeth. But, oh, excuse me. I hope you guys continue to have a good weekend. Okay. And until next time, peace and love.